Yes, well, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend, tell a friend, how we again. Listen, I just seen a lady a while ago talk about her account, her JN account that she have with Jamaica National, all right, bank. She claims that the person them going on her account and draw $700,000, and she cannot draw $700,000 in one day. Our limit, our minimum is supposed to be $100,000 a day. Now, if your banking system with a person who have a limit for 100,000, allow this person card for scan up to $700,000 a day, it have to be somebody inside of the bank committing that kind of fraudulent activity. Or it's somebody we should know in her, close to her. And I want to put it on nobody we're close to her. Because as Khan to what she said, she had the card in her bag at the time while all of these transactions kept happening. You see me? So somebody have to replica or duplicate the card. And the only person who can do that, straight up, are the people in front of the bank. So you see a woman that you are talk to, she probably not aware because it's a system you call to talk to a person. But I'm pretty sure, right? Like me say, I'm not going to show her on the bus and say, yo, she know what I go on, but if she know what I go on, if she know what I go on, the whole bank know what I go on. And the whole of them good at day in panic. Because, remember, last year, a lady come down to come take some money out of her account and, pay some doctor bill and all kind of thing. I went and woman go there. There's no money was there for her. So the lady in America work and I send her money and thinks that she did her bank her money. While the people who are working at the bank can just go in your account and take out your money. And all she got was a sorry. And them lock up my girl for about 6 months who committed the fraudulent crime. And that was it. So, Jamaica and a whole, the banking system is very fraudulent. In case of Usain Bolt, 12.5 million US dollars that was taken by the Jamaican government for their campaign funds. Global Watch Media, tell a friend, away again. My girl are the people in the bank have a replica of your card where them can scan that $700,000. Global Watch Media.